Okay, hello everyone, Samantha here. I pray all is well with you. In this video, I'm showing myself making a journal for my 100 days of prayer. This is Bible Promises. The other one is in another room. I didn't want to go get it. So usually I'll write notes here, and then I'll do the creative journaling here. Not to say that I won't write notes here, but I want to write the notes in the journal and the prayer in the journal too. I still might do some tippings in, these as I go along, like I did a tip in here. But I really wanted to make a creative type journal to do this in. I started folding some paper with decorated edges. I made a video on edging doing different edges on paper, which I'm probably going to upload before I upload this video. But I'm using some of this for a booklet in my art journal, a waterfall booklet. But I'm going to use some of this and some scrap paper that I have to make this booklet. And so it's going to be very avant-garde. So I have like this. I put scraps in these buckets that I've got these buckets, I think, from Amazon some time ago. And you see, I put different scraps and stuff in here, right? All right, okay, so, all right. Okay. So I think I'm gonna play music. I just wanted to show this part, and then I'll play some music, show the process, and then come back at the end to share what I did, because it's not really difficult. And I'm gonna be using some edging the same way I did this. Let me show you this just in case you didn't see the other video. See, my edges are different. Be careful, sweetie. They're staggered and they're different. Okay, just be careful, alright? You see? Some was on a slant. I wanted it to be different. And what I would like to also do is, I really like this. Is have it where it's like this, so the notes can be here and the prayer here. I don't want like the notes on one side and then I gotta flip it for the other side. So now let me go ahead and make this booklet. Now, so since these books are 100 days, I know I need at least 50 sheets, right? I'm gonna need at least 50 sheets. Oh no, 25. Okay, but I'm gonna work it out, and then when I come back at the end, I'll explain what I did to get it like 100. Okay. All right, so let me go ahead and show the process. Okay, so now I am finished. Now, what I forgot to do was to put the cover. Okay, I had just made the insert and I'm like, okay, I didn't make the cover. But, so I was going to like I was going to like stitch the cover on here too. So what I'm just going to go ahead and do is make a cover. And I will use a string. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. That way I will be able to add another signature. So it ended up working out well anyway, because you see I don't want this to get messed up. So the cover is actually going to be bigger than this. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait. Okay, let me just do this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. I'll make this 20. I'm going to attach something 20. 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60. So this is 60 and the other one will be 40. So I will do 20 pages. So that means that I have 30 pieces of paper here. Right? Or 15. I think 15. Let's see. Yeah. 5, yeah. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, I have 15 here. I have 15. So it's not going to take that much for the 40. It's going to be 10 pages, the next one. This is 15, the next one will be 10. Because it's 4 pages per sheet, right? But now, say like when I start journaling, right? I might make the other one like 50. Just to be on the safe side, because I'm going to do like an introduction on this and then start the journaling here. Yeah, that's what I think I want to do. So, now say like if I say, oh, I don't have enough space, that's when, again, some more creativity come in, because I'll journal on something like this and stick it in there, or I'll put it in as a tip-in. I just want to have fun with it. Okay, as I am going through the devotional journal and doing the creative side of it as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and make the cover while I'm here. I might as well. So no, I think I should save that for another video. I'm gonna save that cover for another video. God willing, I'll be able to do it. Okay. So yeah, so that's how to make this. You see, quick, fancy. How can I say avant-garde? I would say. I wouldn't say someone say fancy. It can be considered fancy too, but you know, it's just different. Alright, so with that being said, I want to say thanks for watching. God bless you, and remember, Jesus loves you. Bye-bye.